Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for your ZIMSEC exams this year, you know how important it is to stay ahead of the game. Today, we are breaking down the latest updates for the 2026 exam cycle. We'll cover what happened with registration, where to find your official timetables, and a few quick reminders to make sure your exam day goes smoothly. Let's get started. First, the registration status. The window for the November 2026 exams, ordinary and advanced level, has officially closed. The government did grant an extension to May 22nd to give everyone a bit more time. If you are a student or a center head, please ensure all your data and fees have been fully submitted to the ministry to keep everything on track for your exam preparations. Next, let's look at the timetables. Knowing your dates is half the battle. The May-June advanced level timetable was released late last month. For the big November session, the official advanced level timetable was published on June 15, 2026. And for our younger learners, planning for the grade 7 exams is already underway, with those typically kicking off in September. You can download these official documents directly from the official ZIMSEC website. Make sure to save a copy on your phone or print it out. Finally, here are 3 key reminders for every candidate. 1. Fees. Remember, the rate is $25 per subject for private candidates and $11 for those in government-registered schools. 2. Documentation. If you are a private candidate, don't forget your ID. Whether it's your national ID, passport, driver's license, or a certified birth certificate, have it ready. 3. Stay updated. ZIMSEC does release updates periodically. Always check their official portal or their verified social media pages for any last-minute circulars. I hope this update helps you get organized. Remember, the best way to succeed is to start your revision early and stay informed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more study tips. Good luck and keep working hard.